What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing an anti-theft alarm installation on the Sur-Ron. I know a lot of people use the bike chain and it works until it doesn't. All it takes is a little angle grinder or some bolt cutters and nobody even knew. As long as they're quiet and quick, this with the chain will probably be the better option because as soon as they touch it, this thing is yelling. It is so loud. Should be a rather quick installation. Comes with a lithium battery. You just charge it up USB-C style, and we'll go ahead and get it installed. We'll take it up to the liquor store, see if anybody tries to steal our bike. Let's get it. As far as what comes in the box, pretty cut and dry. We have the actual device, which is a little bit thicker than I actually kind of planned for and wanted. And then we got the key. Is actually better looking than I expected. You got your lock. Jesus, loud. Unlock. I don't know what the lightning bolt does. Not sure. That's so freaking loud. Oh my god. Looks like we got some plastic strips go around it. Tool to tighten it down if we're screwing it in. Some Allen bolts. Little silver actual screw. A little screwdriver. Okay, not bad. A little sticky tape, double-sided. Alright, shouldn't be a problem as to finding a spot where to put this on the bike. But wait, there's more. Okay, so this goes on the back of the device, like that. And then you can screw it in somewhere. But that makes it stick out even crazy more than it already was. And that came off super easy. Even if you screwed this in, someone could just come up and say it's screwed in. Yoink. Like, it doesn't make sense to me at all. Oh, there's more. Okay, that's the one we need right there. And then we got some zip ties, which is probably what we'll be using. This, put this right on the back. A little more sleek, double-sided tape, maybe a zip tie, and should be good to go. Okay, so just read the instructions. This is to go on a handlebar or scooter, whatever, you know. And then the lightning bolt on the remote is actually changes the ringtones. So yeah, every time it, those are the different ones. That one is so loud and terrifying. I'm going with that one for sure. Let's get this installed. Okay, so I think I found out where I want to mount this. I think I'm going to go ahead and mount it right on this bracket in here. And we're going to go ahead and there's 2 slots on this, so we'll go ahead and put a zip tie through each one. Like so. Alright, so right here we got this little bracket. That's what we're going to be attaching it to. Our zip ties in, we're going to just go ahead and feed these through. Alright, so we got both of them fed. I'm going to pull this zip tie out. Go ahead and run that bad boy right through there. Give her a zip. Alright, she's in there. It's about as tight as we can get her. That'll do. Let's go ahead and trim this excess and then let's test her out. Alright, so now we got her in there. bracket. We'll go ahead and lock. Oh, it beeped. Oh. Oh. No, for real though? That is pretty loud. And that just stops? I mean, it's better than nothing for the initial contact, but like... Okay, then it keeps going. We're stealing it. Okay. So I guess it only stops when you are not moving the bike for a while. But, wow, that's pretty impressive. Interesting. Okay. I mean, I kind of love it. I kind of love it. It'll definitely be something that people aren't expecting when they touch your bike. But obviously you just saw I could still easily steal it, but you're definitely going to be getting more noticed. But all right, let's go ahead and ride it to the store and see if we can catch anybody stealing it. All right, let's go ahead and take a trip up to the liquor store. Let's test out this security alarm, shall we? Alright, so I made it to the liquor store. I'll go ahead and lock this thing up. See if anybody messes with her. There's a guy in his truck staring at it. What do we got? What do we got? Bourbon, 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 bourbon. Oh yeah, baby. Put me in, coach. All right, she's still here. Now, I kind of want to do an experiment to see if anybody would do anything. People are looking, it's working. Sorry. Oh, she was ready. All right. So it definitely does work. People definitely were, not very many people outside, but the people that work here were definitely coming up to the door about ready to say or call somebody. So overall, think it's a great investment. Just another double measure of safety that anybody could cut it and walk away and nobody would know if they didn't see him actually cut it. But at least with this going off, there's no other reason that someone's pushing a bike with an alarm going off other than that he's stealing it probably. So I think it's a pretty good investment. It was super cheap. I think it was under $20. I'll put the link in the description below, but definitely worth it. It's super loud, definitely gets attention. But there's also, I've never really seen many people talk about this, but if you look at this hole right here, so you see how it turns? If you put a lock or a bolt, something that has a key in this hole, and then when you try to turn it, see how that hole covers up? Once that hole covers up, you will not be able to turn the wheel at all. So if somebody did steal it, they'd be pushing it in circles. So the alarm with that, if you don't have anywhere to put the chain to the bike up, so definitely I think this is even safer than the alarm, because if they're trying to push it, they'd have to be carrying it, which would look even more sus. So with those two and the chain, you're pretty much golden. All right, let's get back to the house. Thank you guys for watching this video. It really means a lot to me. Like I said before, I actually really recommend this product way more than I thought I would. It's a lot louder and it's really discreet. You can't really see that it's there at all. You have to completely look down to be able to see it. It's discreet, it's loud, it's effective, and if you're just running in somewhere quick that you don't want to do the whole chain and have somebody watch it and all that crazy stuff, this actually is really helpful, and it is super loud. So once again, I do recommend this. I really appreciate you guys watching the video. Please like and subscribe to show your support. Stay safe out there. Make sure your bike doesn't get took. SurRonSender out.